I not supposed to have what I want?
Am I supposed to just smile and wave you out the door?
You were supposed to be asleep.
Hey, you were supposed to be my lift home.
How you supposed to get ahead in there?
How the hell am I supposed to know all of that?
How the hell are we supposed to do that?
How was I supposed to know?
How was I supposed to know that the whole thing was fake?
I did everything I was supposed to do.
If you kill him when you were supposed to, you'd still have a face.
I'm not supposed to say anything to you.
I'm supposed to destroy it so it never runs again.
Is that supposed to help my company absorb Wayne's?
I thought you were supposed to be the best, like a real pro.
I thought you were supposed to save people.
It's supposed to be me.
It's time for me to be who I am rather than who I'm supposed to be.
We're supposed to be unbeatable, but you beat it.
Just like that, we're supposed to be cool?
Maybe you're not supposed to be Spider-Man climbing those walls.
Now, what am I supposed to admit?
Now, what am I supposed to tell the press?
Oh no, you're supposed to use a sarcastic voice!
She was supposed to pull me out, and then Thanos happened, and I got stuck in there.
So now we are just supposed to let him die.
That's not supposed to happen.
That wasn't supposed to happen, was it?
The Avengers were supposed to be different than S.H.I.E.L.D.
This is not how man was supposed to live.
You were supposed to be issued a security badge?
What am I supposed to do around here anyways?
What am I supposed to do in the meantime?
What's that supposed to mean?
What was I supposed to do? Run away?
Where's the bad guy you were supposed to monitor?
Yeah, well, I'm not really supposed to talk about it.
You are supposed to be halfway around the world, right?
You know, for a man who's supposed to be avoiding stress, you picked a hell of a place to settle.
You're not supposed to be behind the bar.
You're not supposed to say that.
You're supposed to be a professional.
You're supposed to be helping your dad stock the shop.
You're supposed to be locating the Tesseract. You're supposed to be upstairs planting explosives.
You were supposed to be a shut-in.
You were supposed to be the last.
You were supposed to not take my suit!
You were supposed to protect us.
And how's theory supposed to prepare us for what's out there?
Dumbledore's army is supposed to be about doing something real.
I'm not supposed to go near the second Salemers.
I'm supposed to just let him die.
I was never supposed to know.
The Dementors aren't supposed to come inside the grounds.
They are supposed to be out of bed, you blithering idiot.
We're not supposed to be here.
What's that supposed to mean?
He's supposed to be mad as a hatter these days.
But I can't do any of the stuff that the prophecy says I'm supposed to do.
But the wall's supposed to go around my swamp, not through it.
We're supposed to help if there's trouble. You said we weren't supposed to use our power. For example, you kids were supposed to watch Jack Jack.
Hey, listen, this one was supposed to be for Vanellope.
How am I supposed to beat Tai Lung? How am I supposed to help her cook rice without getting caught?
Wait. How are we supposed to be happy?
How are we supposed to get these out of here?
I don't think you're supposed to go that way.
I know I'm not supposed to do this, but...
I know I'm supposed to hate humans, but...
I mean, everyone here says I'm just a mistake and that I wasn't even supposed to exist.
I'm supposed to be a fearless hero, a legend.
I'm supposed to just let her stay in a game that's obviously bad for her?
I thought we were supposed to be keeping Riley happy.
I told you, you are supposed to stay with the boat.
It's not supposed to be this bad.
Mr. Fredrickson, am I supposed to dig the hole before or after?
Yeah.
No one is supposed to be in here.
Now, I know I'm not supposed to mention the hair.
Nope. Now, what was I supposed to do after that?
That's what man is supposed to do.
The investor's supposed to show up on Thursday, not today.
Then what am I supposed to do?
This boy is supposed to be the new king of far, far away.
This is supposed to make us feel better.
This is supposed to be a temporary solution.
True Love's kiss was supposed to fix everything.
Wasn't she supposed to kiss Prince Charming and break the spell?
Well, Bailey's head is supposed to put out a call, and the echo helps him find objects far away.
Well, how was I supposed to know that?
Well, what was I supposed to do?
We're not really supposed to talk about him?
We're not supposed to touch anything.
What are we supposed to do?
What exactly are you supposed to be?
What's that supposed to mean?
What was I supposed to do, huh?
With all due respect, sir, a good cop is supposed to serve and protect.
Yes, but she was supposed to choose the prince we picked out for her.
You aren't supposed to be here yet.
You leave me alone with a child to raise and I'm just supposed to forgive you?
You're not supposed to be an ogre.
You're not supposed to go wandering off all...
You're only supposed to make Mom and Dad miserable.
You're supposed to be the generation that leads us into the future.
And listen
You're
to me
supposed to be with me.
Your head is supposed to be big.
You were never supposed to see that vision. You were supposed to be keeping a lookout.
You were supposed to wait there!
I'm not supposed to leave.
Listen, you're supposed to be the guest of honor.
So am I supposed to thank you? So what am I supposed to do at the choosing ceremony? That's not supposed to be a choice.
What am I supposed to do then?
What is that supposed to mean?
How am I supposed to get her to trust me?
I mean, it's supposed to be for the horses, but I mean, who cares about them, right?
I should have just eaten the berries in the arena and died like I was supposed to. Then everything would be back to normal and everyone would be safe.
I'm supposed to give it to the pig.
The Capitol is supposed to be everyone's government now.
You're supposed to tell us how to get sponsors and give us advice.
I'm not supposed to be here. I'm supposed to be very fast, nigh uncatchable.
You're supposed to be dead!
Because my rehearsal dinner was supposed to start 10 minutes ago.
Harry Potter world is supposed to be fantastic.
I'm supposed to feel like a princess today. I thought the pot stickers were supposed to be vegetarian.
I was supposed to tell Dwight something.
No, you're not supposed to be here.
Oh, I don't think that's how you're supposed to greet a customer at Big Wave Luau.
You are not supposed to give people advice. You're supposed to be at my party.
I'm supposed to go on the number 9 bus to Richmond Street.
I was supposed to die in the field with honor.
Now what are we supposed to do?